In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a clean file of your contact that you can move to another app, share with a teammate, or back up safely. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you start, since the contact you export will come from the account you're currently using. Begin on Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel of Google services. Choose Drive to continue. Once Drive loads, look to the right side panel for the People or Contacts icon. Clicking it opens a compact contacts view, so you can quickly access your saved people without leaving Drive entirely. Find the contact you want to export and select it. For a fuller view and more options, open that contact in a new tab. This gives you the complete contact page with all details visible, which is the best place to initiate the export and confirm you're exporting the right person. With the contact open in its own tab, go to the top right and click the three-dot More Actions menu. From that drop-down, choose Export. A small window will appear asking you to pick a file type. Here's how to decide. Google CSV is ideal if you plan to import the contact back into Google Services or keep a simple spreadsheet-style backup. Outlook CSV works best if you're moving the contact into Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft 365. vCard, also called .vcf, is the most universal option and is perfect for Apple contacts, many mobile devices, and most address book apps. Select the format that matches where you'll use the contact next. After choosing the file type, click Export. Your browser will download the file to the default downloads location on your computer. If you want to keep things organized, rename the file right away with something clear, like the contact's name plus the date. It's a good idea to open the downloaded file to spot check the details. In a CSV, you'll see columns like name, email, and phone. In a vCard, you'll see a structured text file that other apps can read. Treat this file carefully. Contact exports often contain personal information, so store it securely. If you don't see the file immediately, check your browser's Downloads indicator or your Downloads folder. Some work or school accounts may restrict exporting. If export is disabled, you'll need admin permission. That's it. Quick, reliable, and ready for your next import.